Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the entire Cfmoto Group, I would like to give you a very warm welcome to the first of our 2025 press conferences. I am Markus Ferch, Cfmoto's Vice President Sales for the European markets, and it's my privilege being your host today, and especially to see so many familiar faces in this huge crowd. Thank you for taking the time to join us. As always, let me begin with a snapshot of the Cfmoto Group. Established in 1989 and headquartered in Hangzhou, China, we have become a major global player in the power sports industry. Our business covers the entire process. We design, we develop, we manufacture, and we sell power sports products. The Cfmoto Group brings a full portfolio of products to the global market, from motorcycles to ATVs to side-by-sides and electric vehicles, as well as all the engines that power them. We now have more than 9,000 dedicated employees and a powerful global network of over 7,000 dealers, serving millions of users in more than 100 countries and regions. We have established a strategic global footprint with 6 production plants across China, Thailand, and Mexico, and 4 R&D centers in China, the United States, and Italy. But our expansion isn't just geographic. We also have invested in strategically expanding our brand portfolio. The Cfmoto brand, of course, remains the core of our Cfmoto Group, offering motorcycles and off-road vehicles globally. Cfmoto Crafted is our sub-brand for original parts, garments, and accessories that we develop together with our vehicles. CF Light was launched in 2024 and offers high quality but very accessible entry-level motorcycles tailored for a new generation of riders, mainly in Latin America and other emerging markets. Ziho is our first electric vehicle brand focusing on smart urban mobility. Just to give you a ballpark to the significance of the brand, in the first half of 2025, we have delivered more than 250,000 units of Ziho in the domestic Chinese market, which is a year-over-year increase of incredible 652% in revenue. And with GOES, last but not least, we have acquired a French off-road vehicle brand with a network of more than 1,200 dealers worldwide. They are mainly located in Europe. This brand will give us strategic advantages in this highly competitive off-road vehicle market. The results of our strategies can best be judged by looking at our financial performance. Despite challenging global economy, our revenue has grown at an amazing pace, from $275 million in 2017 to more than $2.1 billion in 2024. And we are continuing on this growth pattern. We have achieved another impressive year-over-year growth of 28.5% for the first 3 quarters of 2025, which puts us right on track for another record-breaking, historically successful year. So, in short, this is Cfmoto today. We are global, we are diversified, and we are growing. But what you've seen so far is just the foundation for what comes next. To share the vision that will define our next generation of products, please now help me welcome our motorcycle design director, Mr. Carles Solsona.
Thanks, Marcus. Hi, everyone. I'm Carlos Solsona, Cfmoto Design Director of Two Wheels. It's a real pleasure to be back here at Eicma and to see so many familiar and new faces at our press conference. As Marcus highlighted, Cfmoto is growing big, especially on our Two Wheels family. We are glad to say today our lineup sets 8 different motorcycle families available worldwide, covering a wide range of demands, from sport to cruiser and from 125cc to powerful machines over 1000cc. Each family has a clear strategic role. Between them, our MT series is fast-growing and catching the spirit of adventure, while our SR line continues to evolve with a focus on power and performance. But above all, we keep solid our target, building communities for global riders and provide to them the best products. Because of this, and to truly embody our claim experience more together, this year we launched the very first Cfmoto MT Challenge across 20 different countries. From local qualifiers to the grand finale in Australia, more than 200 riders joined us to celebrate together the spirit of adventure. We saw riders from all over the world unite by a shared passion of adventure. We wrote unforgettable stories together. It was a success, and thanks to this, we are already thinking about the next year edition. From experience to product, Cfmoto design has always been focused on defining and promoting the brand values and craft them into beautiful products. We know who we are, and our designs make it visible. Keeping this in mind, the MT family is the refined expression of our daring attitude to explore. Adventure, power, and versatility. Those are the words that better define the MT products. Let me show you the proof of what I just said in our new flagship model. I introduce you the 1000 MTX. Please enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the very new 1000 MTX, the flagship model of our adventure lineup. Now, the MT family offers a full displacement range from entry-level to high-performance bikes. For riders who are looking for a powerful adventure machine and huge versatility, the 1000 MTX is here. This bike was not simply made for ambitious riders. It was inspired by them. You can tell by looking at some highlights. A full tank with low center of gravity and 22.5 liters that ensures a touring range of over 450 kilometers. The 1000 MTX will be available in two colors, Zephyr Blue and Tactical Green. This motorcycle is powerful at the core with a brand new 946 cc parallel twin engine that delivers 83 kilowatts of maximum power, and 1,005 Newton meters of peak torque. To fully support all this power, the bike is also equipped with Kayaba suspension, Pirelli tires, and high-performance Brembo braking system. Power means nothing without control, and being lightweight makes all the difference. Main and subframe combo just 15 kilograms. Engine weight only 56 kilograms. And total dry weight less than 200 kilos. Every detail is built to perform. 21 and 18-inch off-road wheels for higher off-road capabilities and advanced electronics with 4 and +1 riding modes. The result is a bike that dominates every terrain with confidence and precision. But true adventure is not just about destination. It's more about the endless journey and the unlimited possibilities along the way. That's why our designers and our internal accessories department worked together with top suppliers in this segment to create the 1000 MTX Crafted. Take a closer look and get ready to experience adventure like never before. Our team worked side by side with Akrapovič and co-designed exclusive components with Acervis and GB. The result is a bike that delivers even more functionalities, protection, and outstanding look of maxi enduro bike. This show bike is the proof of the versatility of the MT platform and the Cfmoto ambition to deliver authentic, high-end, and premium products. Now, let's enter in the exciting world of racing. 2025 has been another amazing year for our Cfmoto Aspar team. So far, we celebrate 5 incredible wins, 17 podiums, 5 pole positions, and we are especially proud that Maximo Quiles won the Moto3 Rookie of the Year. And in Moto2, the best rookie will be for sure one of our Cfmoto riders. It's my absolute privilege to welcome our excellent team on stage. Please join me in welcoming the Cfmoto Aspar team. Welcome, welcome everyone. We are glad to have you back here at Eicma. Jorge, how are you? It has been an amazing year, but what is your feeling for the next year?
Thank you, everybody, for coming. For me, it's incredible. Last year, Cfmoto is world champion in my team. This year also with many podium, many victory. And also for next year is the mentality of my team. Every time is a win. For next year, fighting for Moto3, world champion for next year, fighting for this. And also in Moto2 for both riders is the all possibility, which is very happy for the mentality team. No, win, win, win.
Win, win, win. Amazing, Jorge. We look forward to it. David, Danny, we see you are gaining more and more confidence with Kalex bikes. What's your target for the next year?
Yeah. Ciao a tutti. Thank you for coming. And yeah, we are doing great job with the hand with Cfmoto. We are growing together. We are making history together. In my case, this year I am learning a lot in the new category. I am learning for the future different things, and we are excited to do the last 2 races of the year and then to prepare the next one. But I think that we are getting stronger, and we will have fun for sure. Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
Hello everybody, ciao a tutti. Yes, I'm very happy with the first year in Moto2 class because we are working very good for the next race and for the future. Yes, for the next year we have the same goal to continue learning and growing in the same direction. Nothing. Thanks to the Cfmoto and Aspar for the amazing job. And ready for the future.
Thank you very much. Thanks, David and Danny. Please keep in mind, don't fight each other. Let's move on. Racing for Cfmoto is not just about competition. It's a source for innovation, performance, and passion. Since Cfmoto joined the MotoGP World Championship, we have celebrated our racing core by releasing very special bikes. I'm talking about the GP editions. This year, we are proud to present the 675 NK GP. I kindly invite the Aspar team to unveil this very special bike. Okay. Thank you, guys. What's your opinion from a racer's point of view?
I explain Samantha with the first one is for me.
Okay.
I like very much. It's an incredible designer. The color is a very special designer.
Yeah, like it's very beautiful, but a part of beautiful, like you can see the professional parts that like the braking system or the clutch, like it's like a racing bike. So I think people will have fun with this for sure, and I want to try also.
Okay.
Yes, I like a lot because the bike is so aggressive. I like the design and the bike in general. Yes, it's beautiful, and congrats for the amazing job because the bike is really nice.
Thank you very much. Fantastic insight. Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. Today, we have one more news to share about our racing history. We are excited to announce that the stories of our Cfmoto Aspar team are coming to the big screen by Warner Bros. And now, I am excited and honored to watch with all of you the official movie trailer.
Che ti avevo detto? È fortissimo. Un kamikaze. Ti voglio presentare il tuo nuovo coach.
Quell'uomo non esiste per me.
Non contare su di me.
Quello si ammazza. O ammazza qualcuno. Lo faccio, ma a una condizione. Tu non sei mio padre, io non sono tuo figlio.
Usa bene la rabbia. È la tua benzina.
Wow, Jorge. Can't wait to see the full movie. A big round of applause, and thank you, Aspar team, once again for joining us here at Eicma. Thank you very much. Now let's take this show to the next level. Last year, we have presented the V4 engine as the gem of our technical development and R&D capabilities. Since then, as a living heart, the V4 engine has been the core that fueled our passion for innovation. We kept tuning it to perfection, combining mechanical efficiency, reliability, and of course, power delivery. All these shaped into 90-degree V4 engine featured by lightweight and cutting-edge technology. And now, let me give you a glimpse of what we shaped all around this masterpiece of innovation. For me, designing the very first superbike of Cfmoto has a great honor and a true responsibility. The process started with the dynamic shapes of the Master of Speed, the sculpture presented last year here in Eicma, a concept that inspired a journey deeply focused on performance. Our vision has been guided by two core principles: future and racing. As a team, we spend hours talking, sketching, and dreaming. From the very first line, we share one goal: to take Cfmoto to the master class. In our way, by staying true to ourselves. Designers and engineers worked side by side to create the best solution without compromise, a full commitment to innovation and identity. The design of the B4 SR features a body in which every surface expresses power, speed, and sophistication. A long list of design features make this bike truly unique. As I said, we follow our own way. And our design team worked hard to match the best form with the best function. Or better said, we set a process which creativity is driven by performance. One more feature to highlight: the active aerodynamic wings. They work both manually and automatically, adjusting their position in real time to optimize drag and improving handling through aero performance. Let's dive more into some of the specs that make the B4 SR a real masterpiece of design and engineering. The carb weight is below 200 kilos, and the crankshaft power output is over 210 horsepower. An impressive weight-to-power ratio of less than 1 kilogram per horsepower. Simply amazing. This bike is fully tested and is equipped with the groundbreaking technologies, also with the best solutions by our top suppliers. A great example is the full titanium exhaust by Akrapovič, which contributes to the performance with a unique and thrilling sound. And now, after many hours and days spent on this project, we gladly present the V4 SR prototype. This bike marks a milestone in our journey. This bike is the result of endless simulations, refinements, and tireless iterations. It represents a bridge between our vision and the final product, now closer than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, let me amaze you with the brand new V4 SR prototype. Enjoy the video. As you see, this project is real and full of passion and innovation. The V4 SR not only represents the SR family, it also will serve as an advanced platform for future models. Cfmoto aims to keep growing, innovating, and providing the best products also in the top class. This year, Cfmoto's lineup is more exciting than ever. Here, there is a quick look at the models we are showcasing at Eicma 2025. I kindly invite you to visit our booth and check this out. I hope you had fun today. For more detailed information, please scan the QR code. Final reminder, at 4:30 p.m. right here, we will host the press conference for the Cfmoto Wheels family. Please don't miss it. Thank you and enjoy Eicma 2025. See you later.